Hello. Yes, I know it's the afternoon. I'm just now coming on. Oh, Keith is home, so it's kind of hard to do this when he's here. But I want to thank you guys. 117 subscribers. Thank you. I'm on my way to 1,000. You all make me so happy. You really do. Oh, I know I was going to tell you. Do you know that butt dialing was a lot harder with a rotary phone than it is with the cell phone? I know you just needed to know that. Anyways, I hope you all is having a good weekend. I don't know how much I'll be on here today because, like I said, it's hard for me to get on here when Keith is home. You know, 'cause he wants to watch TV and all that stuff, and I don't like to have noise in the background. So if I don't come back on today, I will be back on tomorrow morning. Whether he likes it or not, I will be back on. I can't stand when I do that. I go to say something and I forget what I want to say. It must have been a lie. But anyways, I hope you all have a great weekend. Be safe. Please be safe. There's so many crazies out there at this time now. I mean, that was horrible about Charlie Kirk. That really was. That was sad. I mean, if you can't talk about your beliefs, then what happened to freedom of speech? So anyways, I'm running out of time, but please keep the subscriptions coming. I really need them. And I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I really do. Because if it wasn't for you guys make me happy. And right now, not too much makes me happy because I'm stuck in this house. So my doctor put me on an antidepressant pill. Another pill to add to my collection, just what I need. You know? Doctors. Anyways, I'll let you know how that works out. The side effects was that. Anyways, okay, I'm running out of time. I love you guys. Have a good day. Have a good weekend.